everyone, it's Raven and welcome back to the Nest. What I'll be doing today is doing a quick stuffing of my cash envelopes. So if you are interested in seeing that, stay tuned. I cannot tell y'all how much I'm loving my new setup. This has been like my first full week with it, and when I tell you I'm enjoying, just because my previous cash envelopes of course were kept in my wallet, and it just made my wallet just so freaking bulky, and I just no. So having this set up and having my little binder and having it in my purse has just been such a change for me, like a positive change though. And it just, I don't know, I just like having it separate, and it probably just like how the cuteness of it is all set up. That's probably another thing that I like about it, because it's cute. So let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing, but first we are going to zero out for the week before actually stuffing. So let's first start with food, of course. Okay, so in food, what we have left here is $8. So I'm actually going to set this aside. I have just kind of been stockpiling, if that's maybe the word. I've just been sort of stockpiling what I have left over at the end of the week, and just kind of setting it off to the side. That's kind of what I've been doing, and I haven't really truly decided yet what I will be doing with it, but that's essentially what I'll be doing. So I'm just going to set this off to the side. Why am I not in focus? Okay, there we go. All right, so here is my sheet, my budget sheet for my food envelope. And as you can see, I made a purchase from Kroger on the 20th, same day I deposited my money, and I made that for $72, and that is the $8 that I have left. So now we are about to fill it for the week with our $80. So I'm going to write that off here to the side. Okay, reconcile, and that's going to be $8, which is going to take us down to $0. One reason why I like to reconcile is because, as you know, I keep track of how much I spend in my cash envelopes on a bi-weekly basis during my paycheck budget. So it's very easy for me to just pull this sheet out and go and look at the reconciled amount for the particular date. That way I can get my amounts together so I can give you a whole total of how much I spent in that paycheck budget. So that's kind of the purpose behind the reconciling. So then on 8/27, we're going to have a deposit of $80, which is going to bring us to our 80. So I've written that in for myself there. We have our reconciled amount, which that's on 8/27 for our $8. That brought us down to $0. And then we're going to deposit our regular 80, which is going to bring our balance up to $80. So let's go ahead and get our $80. So that's actually going to be 2 20s, and I think all the 10s, is that right? Yeah, all the 10s, and then I need $20 in 5s. Okay, so let's go ahead and count it up. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay. And you know, I got to make sure my money is right side up, because I'm just weird like that. I'm just weird like that, y'all. Let me see. I think it's really just that 1/5 that's upside down. Is that right? Okay. Flipping it, because y'all know stuff, it got to be right. It has to be right for me. All right, so stuffing our $80 in for this upcoming week. All right, food ready to go. Okay, so gas, let's go ahead and pull this out. I don't need to reconcile anything for gas, and I don't think I rarely ever do. Well, no, I had one reconciliation last month in July, but typically I'm spending my entire budget. So we deposited our regular $45 last week, and then I spent my $45 in gas to fill my tank up. So that brought us down to our $0. So we are about to go ahead and add in our $45. So it's going to be $827. Deposit is going to be $45, and that's going to bring us up to $45. So that's actually going to be everything else we have left, the 220s and the 5s. So that is 20, 40, and 45. And y'all know I got to put my money right side up. We can't be doing none of that. All right, so stuffing gas with our $45 for the week, which I actually probably need to go and get gas. If not this weekend, I'll definitely have to get some Monday morning, which I'll probably just do that Sunday afternoon, evening, or whatever, or I may just wait till Monday morning. But either way, that's about to be spent very quickly. For personal, we still have our regular 25. I probably will need to pick up a couple of things, and I may wait till next week to do that. I'm probably not going to do it this weekend, but yeah, something will probably be spent in this coming week, because I do need some dental stuff. And what I mean by dental stuff, I need some floss picks, and I also need, I don't need toothpaste, but I think I need mouthwash. I'll have to check. But I'm pretty sure we are good and stocked up on toothpaste, but I think I need some mouthwash. And like I said, I need some floss picks or some floss in general, whichever one I choose to get. But so that's kind of what I need for personal. And then I'll probably pick up 1 or 2 newspapers this Sunday for coupons. And that's just going to come out of personal, just because that's what I just choose to put it in as. So personal is still there. Housing, we still have our 25 for housing. I don't see me spending anything for housing this paycheck budget, because as you know, I just did my haul of sorts, and I'll link that up above for you. I kind of restocked on like laundry items, not toothpaste, but toilet tissue. So toilet tissue, laundry items, I pretty much stocked up on those, so I probably will not need to repurchase any of those type things until September, so we should be good there. All right guys, so these are my 4 cash envelope categories that I have as far as in physical form. Of course, you all know I do have one other cash envelope category that is for pet, and that is essentially to purchase his food, his pet supplies, and like all that kind of stuff. So that is actually still digital, and the reason I kept it digital is because I use Ibotta gift cards in order to purchase his things at Petco. Petco is on Ibotta, but as far as like getting rebates for different things that you buy, but a lot of the brands that I buy for him, there aren't really rebates on it. So the only way I get cash back for Ibotta for his pet stuff is by buying a Petco gift card on Ibotta. So then you get your automatic cash back. So let's say I go to Petco and I'm buying his food, food treats, and maybe a little toy. So I may spend like, I don't know, like $80. Let's say I spend $80. And then I go onto Ibotta and I buy the $80 gift card. And then I use that gift card to essentially pay at the register, and then I get my automatic cash back for that $80 gift card. Sometimes it's like 5%. Usually, I want to say it's always like 5%, and I think once before I seen it at like 8%, but I think it's usually at like 5%. So for $80, essentially I would get $4 cash back. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.